West Michigan on Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer looking at bright skies that have filled in, the rain clearing out and the sunshine rolling back in. Pavement still may be wet on some area roadways, so don't overdrive for conditions currently, especially if you're encountering an area where there's leaves on the pavement. The wet leaves can really mimic the consistency of ice, so definitely pay careful attention until things completely dry out, which will happen very quickly today with those powerful winds and of course that drier air settling in. We're in the 40s inland, low 50s along the lakeshore, temperatures that are several degrees warmer, about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than we were at this point yesterday morning, and all of that is because we did keep that deck of moisture in place during the early morning hours. So overall, the big story now is the sunny, windy conditions out there. A gale warning along the lakeshore with winds running up to 40 knots, waves building 6 to 10, maybe 6 to 11 feet. So definitely stay off the piers and breakwaters. As you can see, there's a swamp. This is the view looking out over the beach in Grand Haven, and the winds and waves will be on the increase over the next several hours. So the satellite radar composite will show you the leftover rain very quickly moving off to the east and southeast. Notice these huge holes in the clouds developing, so we will enjoy lots of sunshine across the region today. Winds will begin to diminish late tonight into early tomorrow morning, as you can see here on the future track. As that system pulls away from us, we will be looking at clearing skies over the next couple of hours, and then the winds that relax tonight into early tomorrow. So temperatures tomorrow morning will drop back down into the 30s. Our Tuesday looks dry, a tranquil Tuesday, terrific Tuesday, not a whole lot of wind, and our high temperatures will make it back into the mid 50s. And then Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're going to start watching the development of another system that likely tracking mainly across northern lower Michigan and the UP, but it will work to increase the wind. So even if we don't feel the impact from rain with that Wednesday system, definitely going to feel the impact with those gustier winds. As we take a look at that super 7-day forecast, you'll see again highs in the mid 50s today, mid to upper 30s tonight, mid 50s tomorrow. On Wednesday, chance of a few showers, but again, the windier conditions around. That system clears out on Thursday, so a pretty active week ahead. Every 36 to 48 hours, a system coming through. Showers may be more widespread on Friday. Temps still in the 50s. By Saturday and Sunday, we'll start to wrap in some colder air behind that system. By Sunday, some of the coldest air we've seen so far this season will be rolling in with a high of only 44. We topped out at 46 on Saturday, and that was the coldest day since all the way back on April 10th. And by the way, even though we may see a few slushy wet snowflakes a week from today, the signs are that we'll be warming back up again. The 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us through the middle of November, sees a lot of warm air across much of the central part of the United States, and that actually extends into the Great Lakes region with our temperatures above to even much above average.